Welcome to video 5 of our thorough training series on low-code application development. In our previous videos, we highlighted the criticality of conducting a comprehensive needs assessment. Once we have a clear understanding of the requirements, we proceed to create an entity relationship model and a relationship diagram to enhance our project's visualization. In this video, we will explore the use of the eCase platform to find the most effective solutions for the identified requirements. We will begin with the Entity Builder, which is a user-friendly user interface tool integrated into our system. This tool simplifies the creation of entities and their associated fields, making data management more efficient and accessible. Let us proceed by logging into the system designed for the complaint management project. Here, we encounter the login page, serving as a secure gateway for viewing, analyzing, and modifying the system's data. Upon logging in, you will notice that the system consists of the following main sections: header, navigation pane, and workspace. To create an entity within the system, we will navigate to the Settings section on the navigation bar. This section houses all the tools necessary for system configuration and management tasks. To access the Entities section, we will click the Entities in the System Navigation pane under the Data section. Here, the Entities section will be presented with all entities available in the system, organized into a table. To facilitate users' interaction with the entities and ensure ease of use, the section is incorporated with the search mechanism that allows narrowing down the number of entities displayed on the screen for a smaller pool of them. Also, the section has the possibility of sorting the entities in ascending or descending order and pagination option to split the list of entities in the section into pages for paged navigation. In the Entities section, you can have the following actions: create, view, edit, and remove entities when a need arises. In conclusion, the Entities section offers a user-friendly experience and provides you with a straightforward and effective way to manage entities. You can efficiently search for entities, sort them, and paginate for easier navigation. In this section, you can create, view, edit, and remove entities as needed.